We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as Marauders. You do want to stress on the second syllable, the raw syllable, Marauders. Marauders. In American English, however, this is usually said as Marauders. Marauders, with an R sound, an open R sound in the middle. Marauders. Marauders in American English versus Marauders in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, especially those with a difference between American English and British English. I'll see you there to learn more.